Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect pirate ship for discounted USPS and UPS rates. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect pirate ship for discounted USPS and UPS rates, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the pirate ship website at www.pirateship.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Once you sign up, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. After verification, log into your pirate ship account. On the main dashboard, locate the Add a Carrier button. Click on this option to begin the connection process. You will see a list of carriers. Select USPS to set up your USPS account. To connect your USPS account, you will need your USPS username and password. You can obtain these by signing up for a free USPS account at the USPS website. Return to Pirate Ship and enter your USPS username and password in the designated fields. Next, click on the Connect to USPS button to finalize the connection. Once connected, you will see your USPS account listed on your dashboard. Now, to connect UPS, again click on the Add a Carrier button. Choose UPS from the list of carriers. You will be prompted to enter your UPS account details. If you don't have a UPS account, you can create one on the UPS website. Enter your UPS account number and the associated zip code. After filling in the required fields, click on Connect to UPS. Once, you can now access discounted shipping rates for both carriers. To create a shipping label, enter the recipient's information. Select the package details and choose the appropriate shipping method. Finally, review the label details, then click Buy Label to complete your order. Your label will be generated, ready for printing or downloading. With your pirate ship account connected to USPS and UPS, you can now save on shipping costs efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.